Hey boys, Grayson in the snow, and Cameron. Grayson and Cameron and Gypsy in the snow. What a surprise. Don't go in the water, Grayson. Don't go in the water. Look at this. This is Gedney Park in Mount Kisco, New York. What a surprise. I had no idea there would be snow here. Wow. We came from the beach, and now we're in the snow.
7 days ago.
Yeah, last week we were at the beach, and this week we're in the snow. Amazing.
Climb the Rock of Gibraltar here?
Aw, you guys are so cute.
Okay, we're gonna see where the mountain is. Let's go to the mountain.
This is Grayson's first time walking in the snow. First time. First time walking in the snow. Big rock. Big rock.
Come on, kids. Oh, boy, Orbit. Come on, guys. Over here.
You guys are too cute. Too cute.
Don't touch the water.
Come on.